Magandang gabi, nandito tayo sa Barangay Rosario at mapapanood natin ang laban ng Junior Division. Purok 5 versus Purok 2. Start of the ball game.
Ventura, left-hander shot, using the back glass. First 2 points for the game. Ventura, 2 to narin yung score, favor ng Purok 5. Sino agad si Coach sa bola. May tinawagan ng foul. There's a foul on number 9. There's a personal foul. There's team foul. Ventura takes a three. Good for us. Tuason setting the play for Dos. This is the juniors division. Di diretso. Another Tuason. Out of bounds. Same all. Substitution pressure. Number 9 starting the play. Tuason. Pass to Turban. Turban working the ball. Jumper. Ursula para sa Purok 5. Ventura 3! 5-0 bakaling score. 8 minutes and 40 seconds left. Still in favor ng Purok 5. Tuason. Anong channel yung nagtatagi? Number 6, Tuason, left-hander shot. Mendez, out of bounds. Yung mga bola po dyan sa kabilang court, masuyo naman po. Atras kayo, atras, mga pogi, atras. Atras po, atras. Orsua. Atras number 19. Tall. Number 6. Okay. Then, nandito ko sa... Mas kayo. Basta. Official score 7-0. Wala bang makabukas sa kumula ng Purok 2. Mendez ang tira ni Tuason, nakuha ni Batman, ringin kay Tuason, tirapas ni Batman! Batman! 2 points, Inana, 7-2. Shoutout kay Bolani. Ventura. 3! Official score 10-2. Lamang pa rin po ang Purok 5. Sumesa niya si Coach Ninyo. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Ano ninyo mula? Ninyo mula. Iba, celebrity ang Coach ng Purok 5. Kanta ito sa Jesus sa kanta. Santos. Dinerecho. And also pa. First shot is good by number 13, Santos in the free throw area. Democratic champion and first runner-up last year. Number 1 on rebound. 11-2 ang ating score. We're still on the first quarter. Tuason starting the play. 15 seconds. Pass to Batman. Mendez. Rebound by Ursula. Pass to Ventura. Out of bounds. Ventura. Pass to Ursula. Indicating number 4. Echa. Mendez. Rebound by number 3. Turban. Oblak Turban running the ball. Nabitawan ang tabihan. Still by Ventura. Ventura. Pass to Ventura. Binigyan ng ulang si Ursula. Ursula Laguna. Back to the ball game. 2025 Junior Division. Number 1, Magpantay. Loader, Mendez, nagkatabigan. Nakuha ng Pinalik kay Santos. Santos, Liles, nagtiragan ng foul. There's a foul on number 3. Basket is down. There's a foul. Rebound by Jesus. Pass to number 2, Tobal setting the play. Tobal. Pass to Garfield. Good job, Russell. 10 seconds to shoot. Tobal. To Soriano. Jesus Soriano. Basket, 2 points. Para play number 23. 54 on the score. Ursula. Number 35, nagaling ang bawasay. Kailangan tutupal. Kailangan ang buwela pa, pass to Tobal. Number 35, side-stepping move, beyond the last of this. Nagtinawagan ang foul, where's the foul on number? Foul on number 15, Ursula, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 10, Daniel. As the Dailigan, side-stepping move, traveling violation. Traveling violation. 54. Still in favor ng Mexico. Very slow the first quarter. 5 minutes and 10 seconds left. Orsua. Pass to Ventura, takes a 3. Yes. Nagkakaroon ka na kung talit kay Ventura. Ventura to Santos. Another foul. Huwag ka ng pauli-uli. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 seconds. 6-4 ang ating official score. Cardio takes the 3. Indes. Abang the play, dribbling the ball. Ursua. Back to Ursua. Asia. Indes. Rebound by Jesus Soriano. Pass to Dailigan. Dailigan dribbling the ball. Dailigan, sumalaksak, pasok, 2 points. Ella. Number 8, Ursula. Sa baseline, lumigot. Indes, rebound by Dailigan. Dailigan, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 20. Medina, to Tobal, back to Medina. Medina, back to Tobal. 10 seconds to shoot. Tobal, Mendes, Medina, rebound by Kenza. Pass to Santos. Santos dribbling the ball, pass to Ursula. Back to Santos. Out of bounds. Away ko kaya natin. Mendes, Medina, rebound by Superfly. Pass to Medina. Medina, the birthday boy. 2 points. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Pass to Ventura. Bigay number 8. Ursula takes a 3. Mendes, rebound by Dailigan. Dailigan, dribbling the ball. Dailigan setting the play. Dailigan takes a 3. Mendes, rebound by Kenza. Kenza, dribbling the ball. Pass to Ursula. Oh, what a bad pass. Dalawa na Superfly. Number 20, Medina. Back pass to Superfly na malaki. Dalawang Superfly. Number 5. Number 20. Ursula. Ventura. Traveling to double dribble. Ferrari. Ang dami. Using the back glass by Superfly.
that is good by number 4, Asia in the free throw area. Super 2. Supply, pass to Gailigan sa baseline. Pasok, 2 points para Gailigan. Number 15, pushing the ball. Pass to number 22. Back to Ursula. Ursula. Around one. First shot, no good. Split on the Starry. Medina, Castro, Gailigan. Gailigan breaks back to Medina. 10 seconds to shoot. Mendes at Pierre Ferrer. Pasok, super fly, 2 points. Number 15, Ursula. Ventura takes a 3. Ventura! 3! Number 25, starting play. Mendes at Ferrer. Nakakuha ng foul. There's a foul on number 13. Pasok, skip on the charity by Ferreira. Number 15, winning the ball, Ursula. Pass to number 8. Asia to Ursula. 8 seconds to shoot. Mendes, Ursula placing punta. Pasok, 2 points. Last 24 seconds. Shot clock is played. Superfly. Using the right glass by number 7, Superfly.
Five seconds.
Ventura. McCain takes a 3.
First quarter.
17 in favor ng Purok 5.
The second
Score
quarter.
17-27 in favor of Purok 5. Second quarter.
Number 30, setting the play. Mendes Andela. Ventura at the paint. The paint moving the ball. The paint setting the play.
15 seconds.
Ursula takes a 3. Mendes, rebound by Batman.
Pagpagpay.
Batman pass to Topal. Topal setting the play. Topal sa malaksa. Mendes. Our move. Offensive breakup by number 30. Petero. 2 points. Ursula. Nagdaan ka pa sa Ursula. Pasok. 2 points. Ito ang ulam mo. Ika ng unod.
29-19 ang ating score. We are on the second quarter. And this all is being brought to you by the FA Council ng Barangay Ngaybungan and Barangay Rosario. Bago na FA Chairman, Tyler Jethro. Rebound by Pereira. Ursula now penetrating. Binigay kay
Out of bounds.
Eli.
Shuttle po sa complex roots. Yan, shuttle niyo mga yan.
Short.
Number 5, moving the ball. Number 5.
Oh,
What a foul. There's
si Dendel
the paint takes the three. The paint three.
32-21 ang ating score. 8 minutes left. Magpapais.
Ang lalim. Number 5, Pereira. Still by Pere. Pere, nawala ng A. Pere, 2 points.
Ang kalimang husay. 32-23 ang ating score. Balikan. Last 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Ursula, set the play para sa Purok 5. Ibigay sa kapatid, Ursula. Umusat si Ursula.
Pere, one rebound. Walang bola. Out of bounds.
Betera ng Katie Calvo.
Ang bilis. Eto. Bigtisan nila. Pesing punta kay Pere.
Another 2 points by Ferrer para sa Purok 2. 32-25, 7-point lead. 7 minutes left. We end the first half. Ursula. Plus for Pereira. 6 Pereira.
Official score 34-25 at 25.
6 minutes and 44 seconds left. 10 seconds to shoot.
Pereira. Pasok.
And there's a foul.
That's the discount. It's a foul.
Pocket down and foul number 5. First personal. Second.
Subdivision.
Para sa Purok 2. And now it's time for Ursula. Binigay kay Ventura Pereira. Pereira binigay kay Ursula. Back to Pereira penetrate.
Pasok. 2 points. Sala-sala.
36-27. Lamang ang Purok 5 with 6 minutes 15 seconds left. Pinakalay.
Shoutout tayo dun. Six minutes left. Ventura takes a 3. Rebound by Pereira. Pass to Figueroa. Super fly.
By Relay. 36-29. Dito ka sa
Ursula setting the play. Pass to number Ventura. Ursula.
10 seconds.
Ang pass. Ursula sa baseline. Lindes. Lindes. Rebound by number 30. Quintero. Quintero dribbling the ball. Quintero ang minute. Kapitaw ng bola. Power to Ursula. Ursula dribbling the ball. Ursula. That's the number 4. Asia, top of the key. Pasok. 2 points.
38-29 at score with 5 minutes left and we end the second quarter.
Superfly setting the play. Superfly takes a 3. Basket is down. That's a foul on number.
One shot. Pasok. 38-32. Now 6-point lead na lang. 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Ursula to Ventura back to Ursula. Bigay kay Ventura back to Ventura.
Lindes ang tira. Lawan pa rin ang Ventura. Ventura. Lindes. Rebound kay Jesus. Soriano pass to number 7. Superfly.
Relay.
Superfly to the pass.
Cork 5.
Official score is
Score.
38-34. Maraming salamat.
34-38.
Jeffrey Santos. Score. Back to the ball game.
Number 8, Brooklyn the ball. Pass to number 19. Back to
15
Osuna.
seconds.
Osuna, back to Pereira. Pereira mintis ang tira. Rebound by Jesus Soriano. Binigay Kumal. Kumal dribbling the ball. Kumal starting the play. Pass to Kailigan.
15 seconds.
Kailigan back to Veteran to Jesus Soriano. Mintis. Sumaklay! Gumagaan si
Official score 38-36.
Dalawang grupos na lang lamangan. Ako pala, nag-6.
15 seconds.
Mintes ang tira.
3 minutes and 25 seconds left.
Nakamoy kiling. James Maynor.
39-38. Tupal for 3.
Orsua. Mintes. Nagkatabigan. And violation.
39-38 in favor ng Burgos. Kay Likan, binigay kay
Cuba. Mintes. Nagkatabigan. Remember Orsua. Stand by Sumaklay.
41-38 ang ating score. Change favor ng mga Burgos.
May bumayan pa sa pushing foul ang number 23.
Second quarter. Ventura to Pereira. Eto. Who's foul? 2 minutes 28 seconds. We end the first half. Ventura for 3 rejected na punta kay Rile.
Sumaklay. Pass to number 3. Kumal. Kumal starting the play.
15 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot.
Same ball. 7 seconds to shoot.
7 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
Back in kay... Anong trabaho ni Jimbo?
Sumaklay. Mintes. Nakuha ni Kempe. Kempe. Kaya naman naman Kempe na. Binigay number 8 Orsua.
Ventura.
Mintes. Orsua. Pass to his down. Pass to his down.
Basket is count.
Kumal play.
Tabla na po, all 41. 1 minute and 50 seconds left. We end the first half. Medina to Gailican to
Pasok. Jesus Soriano.
43-41. Back to 2-point lead ng Portos. Ursua. Setting the play. Binigay sa kanyang kabalay. Ursua to Ursua. Binigay kay Ventura. To Ursua. To Pereira. Pereira na traveling violation.
Substitution. Red substitution.
Last year's championship. Medina, tawigin.
Number 20,
15 seconds.
Kaibigan makes a three. Kaibigan! Two points lang.
Ursua. Dorsua to Pereira.
May ginawa ng foul. There's a foul on number.
Pereira on the control area. First try, rejected. Ang galing.
Ang Husa
Kaibigan.
moves. 1 minute and 1 seconds at the end of the first half.
Forty-five, 42, 59 seconds. We end the first half. Medina now setting the play.
Sumaklay, nilitan ng bola. Asia, drop pass to Ventura. Mintes, rebound kay Sumaklay.
Coach Negro. Patpat.
Pasok, 2 points by number number 8, Orsua. Last 27 seconds. What a bad pass!
5:44. Sa dalawang kalangakan with 20 seconds left. Shot clock is 10. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Aso, James Favor, official
46, 45.
And the first half, official
quarter.
score, 46, 45.
Score 45-46 in favor of Orocinco.
by the SK Council ng Barangay Rosario ng SK Chairman Tyron Chento. Pagbati kay Jason Lee, magandang gabi. Sa vlog.
Third quarter.
46-45, lamang po ang Orocinco or Sua. Bigay kay Santos to Encha. Encha to Pereira. Traveling violation. Blason, setting the play. Bigay kay Blason Team. Ejected rebound na punta kay Pereira. Pereira de derecho, easy to pass. 40-45. Tupal. I love Tupal.
Out of bounds.
Official score all 48. Tuason to Tupal. Tupal to
Bad
Kevin
pass.
Tuason.
Rejected. Dito tayo sa paglang.
Vincenta. All 48 ang ating score, 8 minutes and 14 seconds left. We end the third quarter.
Pero, sidestepping. Nakuha ni Pereira.
Beber, bigay kay Tuason. This
5
Tuason.
seconds to shoot. Tuason. Mites. Nagkatabi ang rebound by number 8, Orsua.
All 48 ang ating score. We are on the third quarter. 8 minutes, 15 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. And
Tuason. Pass to Tupal. Tupal. Holding the ball. Ay tinawagan ang foul.
Lapit foul. Tupal now setting the play.
Pasok to points by number 3.
Ang galing, ang husay. 50-48, two-point lead ng Puros. Oh,
Bad pass by Orsua.
38 seconds. We have the third quarter.
Russell setting the play. Pass to Petero. Petero! 3!
Ang galing, ang husay. Ursula, de derecho, rejected na punta kay Pereira, napunta kay Tuason.
Pass to Tupal. Tupal, lumiba. Pasok. Timeout. Ninyong mula.
I love Tupal.
Score 55-48. Remaining time 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Labangan Moros.
Back to the ball game. Number 8, Orsua setting the play. Pereira. Pereira. Nagkatabigan. Nagtatagaan ang dalawang Pereira. Ito, Tupal. Pass to Petero. 2 points.
Nice play, nice pass by Tupal. 2 points para kay Pereira.
Nangangamoy.
57-48, 15 seconds to go.
Pagkalawagan ang double foul. Ang ating referee. There's a double foul.
left. We had the third quarter. And nilig kay Ursula. Ursula, wala mo na napunta kay Ursula.
Santos.
Two.
Pasok, 2 points.
57-50. Tuason setting the play. John Tuason. Para sa Portos. Tupal. Pwede po na kay Gadera. There's a foul. Foul on number. Bonus shot for Gadera.
First shot is good. Pero in the free throw area.
Gadera ba yun? 58-50. Oh! Nice. Oh!
I love this win.
Ursula. We're in Japan.
Number 8, plastic. Petro Nalintes. Nagkatabi nga ang rebound by number 6.
John Tuason. Binigay kay Tupal. Tupal Ames.
Pasok.
60-50 ang ating score.
Before no na. Malaman.
5 minutes and 37 seconds. Nice play.
Pasok. 2 points. Big shot doon pala kay Bosneb from JJ Pavilion. Bosneb shot.
Hi to Jeje.
Basket is down. Nasa foul on number. Foul on number 1.
60-54 ang ating score. Lagot po ang Kuwait Ghost.
Five minutes and 13 seconds. Sa ating third period.
60-54 ang ating score ng mga Burdos.
Number 13. Pasok. 2 points.
62-54. Lamang ang Burdos. 4 minutes and 55 seconds left. We have the third quarter. Oh!
Ang foul. There's a foul on Lumipat si Blackman.
Wala si Robby.
Ah. Ayan, si Blackman.
Second quarter for James Pereira.
Ayan, pumasok.
Not bad. Pagbati kay Jasper Tuason.
Oh, shout out sa'yo.
Ang bata.
Montes Ventura. Kaya daw, si Ventura. Ventura, Ventura. Seven to play.
15 seconds.
Santos takes the lead. Montes, rebound by number 13. Ventura, pass to number 1.
Magpantay. Binigay kay Tupal. Kay Tupal.
Montes. Pasok. Number 1.
64-54. 54 ang ating score. Diretso. Wala. Napunta kay Petera. Petera binigay kay Tupal. I love Tupal! 66-54. Last 3 minutes and 55 seconds.
Number 20.
15 seconds to shoot. Pereira. Binigay kay Ursula. Ursula. Binigay kay Pereira.
Pereira.
66-56 ang ating score. Lamang ang Portos with 3 minutes and 32 seconds left. We have the third quarter.
Number 6, setting the
15
play.
seconds.
Russell. Offensive foul.
Offensive
Warning
foul.
for penalty situation.
Ursula to Ventura. Binigay kay Ursula. Binigay kay Etria.
Rebound by number 13.
Pero Tupal.
Rebound takes the play. First. Pasok. 2 points by Tawiri.
Tawiri.
The Brandon boy.
68-56. 3 minutes left and we end the third quarter.
Pereira.
Penetrates.
Pereira. Pasok. 2 points.
68-58. Last 2 minutes and 43 seconds.
Ruban, pass to number 20.
Away Medina. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice play. Nice assist by Kawili. 2 points for Magpantay. 70-58.
Number 15, Zero, pass to
Santos.
out of bounds. Substitution.
Intercepted by Carpio. Luzoriano.
Number 20, Ruben. Number 15, Zero.
Santos.
Santos.
70-60 ang ating score. Last 2 minutes. And we end the third
Sa
quarter.
third period,
Carpio. Luzoriano.
Sariano, bumawi. Ang lakas na tira. Hindi na lagi ng foul. May pushing foul na tinawagan ni Roshan no good by Onsua in the free throw area.
Second try. Meron wala. Meron wala. Soriano. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. We end the third quarter.
Hindi na sa play cardio. Sa baseline, support line. Out of bounds. Red ball.
Red Bull. Ursula binigay kay Santos. Now binigay kay Ventura. 1 minute and 38 seconds.
Ventura. Nakakuha ng foul. There is a foul. First shot is good by Ventura in the free throw area.
1 minute and 34 seconds.
Number 2.
70-62 ang ating score ng mga puntos.
8 point there. Away, number 3 points. Setting the play. Super play. Ganda naman. Basta, 2 points.
Carpio, for 2.
Number 15, Ursula. Pass to number 22.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
Side step in yung pagkakawan. Eto na. Tumakbo na. Eto na. Eto na.
Tawibit.
Ventura.
Labo na kayo.
1 minute left. Ventura. Ay, kailangan ng foul. There's a foul on number. Foul on number 20. Pasok.
Nakangintay-tingin ito sa lakalinan. Ten seconds.
Jesus. At the pass.
35 seconds left.
Lupez. Lupez.
Oh, there's a foul. There's 63. Aba na po ang testing. Aba na po. Pinabana si Carlos. Kung nabot nag-enjoy ko ba? Ayun. Baka may subo ko yun.
15 seconds.
10 seconds dito. 10 seconds. Shot lakas din. Ventura. Oh.
Last 7 seconds.
And we end the third quarter. Lalo sa Gimpi. Magpantay. Binigay kay Tawiwi. 2 points.
of third quarter. Score 74-64 in favor of Purok Dos.
Maraming salamat. Tournament ng SK Bata Rosario Sports League 2020.
Fourth quarter.
Mapatbay. Sayang. Ursua. Pasok kay Bay Tawibig. Tawibig. Idiniretso. Wala na. Tatlo. Magpantay.
Natanggalin sa labi, natanggal na. Pasok, super fly.
Rally. 76-64. 12-point lead ng 12-point lead ng Portos. 9 minutes 30 seconds na. Mga kapatid.
Herrera takes it away.
Short. Ako na kay
Nakakuha ng foul. First shot is good by Superfly. Nangangamay giniling na ulam. Over 2.
78-64. 9 minutes 15 seconds.
Ang Abel. Yung giniling, yan na.
Koreano po Tawili.
Easy for points by number 20.
80-64 with 9 minutes left and we end the ball game. This is the last game for the elimination round. Nice play by Santos. 80-66. Arena for 2.
Pasok 2 points by number 7.
82-66.
Superfly.
8 minutes 30 seconds. We end the ball game. Ursua. Tubentura. For 3. Rejected. Dapat na kanyang pantay. Melina. Tawili. Binigay kay Reddy. Binigay kay Carpio. Nice play. Naprognos. 84-66. 8 minutes left. We end the ball game.
Official score 84-66.
Oh. Pinaunin pa.
Basket count.
Pereira. Goal shot. Complete. Dapat na kay Soriano. Ako pass Soriano.
Harvio dribbling the ball. Harvio pass to Dailigan. Pass to Harvio. Harvio to number 20. 5 seconds to shoot. Harvio favorite shot by number 6.
Husay. 86-68. Baliktaran ang score.
Orsua, easy 2 points.
86-70. 86-70 ang ating score. 7 minutes and 20 seconds left. And then the ball game.
Superfly. Superfly.
Now back to the ball game. It's Ursua setting the play para sa Porcino binigay kay Pereira.
Pereira setting the play. Pereira. Nakawala ng foul. There's a foul at number 9.
Sa Portos. 88-70 ang ating score. Last 6 minutes and 56 seconds.
Pereira. Dailigan. Passing foul. Passing foul by number 35. Third personal foul number 35.
Last 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Ventura for 3. Ejected na po. Oh. Tubal.
Tubal gripping the ball. Out of bounds. Napagod na. Ganito na yung ako.
Bilis mo yung ball. And 88-74. 6 minutes and 10 seconds left. 14 points.
Topal setting the place. Topal dribbling the ball.
10 seconds.
Topal was overlooked. Lucky bounce by number 5.
Ferrer. 90-74 adding score.
Still by Drazon. Drazon setting the play.
5 minutes and 45 seconds left.
Dailigan takes the 3. Mendez. Rebound by number 15, Orzua.
Ferreira. Pinanood lang.
Mendez. Dailigan dribbling the ball. Mastorelli. Trip up play. Ang ganda naman ang pasa. Pasa up the boards. Para
Pinalan, maraming salamat. At sa mga pinalan kong quarterfinalist, see you at the ball games. Bukas po ang simula. Ventura. Encha. Binigay kay too short. Ferrer. Dinerecho ang bola. Ito sa inyo. Ang galing. Husay. Last 5 minutes and we end the ball game. 94-74.
wow, what a play by number 13, Santos. Mario Kida.
4 minutes and 40 seconds. We end the ball game.
Topal setting the play.
10 seconds to shoot.
Drazon sa baseline. Nilabas ang bola. Pass to Drazon. Drazon! Mintez at nila. Rebound by number 13. Santos. Still.
To Tuaso. Nice pass.
Drazon. Pass to number 25.
By Likan. And they are
Pass off 2 points.
96-76. Ferreira. Penetrating.
Drazon. Pass to Topal. Topal takes a 3. Topal! 3!
I love Tupa. 99-76. Ang galing. Ang husay. 2 minutes 27 seconds left.
Oh, hindi ba tayo na po?
Ventura for 3 rejected. Pwede po pa wala primado ni Ferrer. Ferrer binigay kay Gailikan. Gailikan to Tuason. Jack Tuason.
Mama Bear, sarap ng ulam, Mama Bear. Ay, sarap ng ulam na naman ito.
Tuason. Tuason. 3 points.
Ayaw magpanawag.
102.76 na mga puntos. 2 minutes 54 seconds. Gagawa na po na kay Ventura. Ventura for 2. Too short. Pwede po para na
Six to the
ito.
points by number 15.
102.78. 2 minutes and 14 seconds left. Binigay kay Gailikan. Seconds. Napunta sa red from Siko.
Number 15,
Easy to
Pass
play.
to the points.
Kim Tuason.
Drazon dribbling the ball. Drazon sa malaksa. Drazon, 2 points.
104-80 ang score. Last 2 minutes.
Drazon from Laguna. Ang galing.
Ursua for 3.
Rebound by Bear.
Binigay kay Kim Tuason. 1 minute and 45 seconds left.
Rebound. Sa malaksa. Oh! Short time. Pass off 2 points.
104-82.
Napakinggan yata si ano.
Ferrer for 2. 106-82.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
And we end the ball game.
Easy the points.
by Orsua, 102.84, 1 minute 11 seconds.
Oh, sa gilid lang dadala, nasa gilid. Pinakita ka niya na si Kupal.
183.84.
Nice game.
End of the ball game.
Harvest day of the
Score 108-84. Winner, Purok Dos.
Round jersey number 7.
Mga boss, hanggang dito na lang ang vlogs at huwag mong kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel. Boss Alan Vlogs at isama nyo na rin ang Kajoiners Vlog at magpapaalala sa inyo, bawal mamatay, mabuhay!